Bitcoin recovers from year-long losses, trading at $47,000. Ethereum and Dogecoin are soaring. The cryptocurrency market jumped on Monday, wiping out Bitcoin's 2022 losses to leave it near the $48,000 mark after a 15% surge since last week. The price of Bitcoin, the leading digital asset, rose over 6% in 24 hours, well above the $46,200 price it hit on December 31st. It comes after Bitcoin lost almost a quarter of its value with a drop to $35,000 a few months ago. Even Ether had a good day. It hit its highest level since early January, with the price of the token underpinning the Ethereum blockchain rising 6% to almost $3,400. In early November, Bitcoin and Ether hit record highs of $68,990 and $4,865, respectively. Smaller cryptocurrencies, called altcoins, saw a similar price move. Cardano is up 7%, Solana 8%, and Litecoin 4%. The meme of cryptos Dogecoin and Shiba Inu rose 4% and 13% respectively in the last 24 hours. What's driving the price jump? After trading below $43,000 for most of the previous few days, Bitcoin approached the key $45,000 technical level on Friday. Prices finally blew past $45,000 late Sunday. For the past 3 months, Bitcoin's price has encountered strong resistance at $45,000. The fact that prices have surpassed that level and remained above it signals that supply and demand dynamics have shifted, and that buyers are more comfortable with higher prices. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin will face more criticism over its impact on the environment, Bloomberg reports Tuesday, March 29th. Climate groups have launched a campaign to get the crypto community to change its ways. Known as Change the Code, Not the Climate, the groups will push the Bitcoin community to change the way it orders transactions. In 5 years, the community could be consuming as much power as Japan. Greenpeace and crypto billionaire Chris Larsen are among the climate groups. Over the next month, the campaign plans to buy ads in several publications. Founder Michael Brune says the goal is to get leadership to agree that this is a problem that needs to be addressed. CoinDesk reports that FTX Europe, which is the new arm of the FTX exchange, is looking to expand in the UK. The FCA is in talks with FTX Europe head Patrick Grun. A Swiss office and a Cyprus one make up FTX Europe. A large part of the United Kingdom would consider itself a crypto hub by the government, though there is a possibility of more regulation coming. Bloomberg reported that MicroStrategy, the software company that has made Bitcoin investing an important part of its corporate strategy, is borrowing from its digital assets to buy more cryptocurrencies. MicroStrategy's unit got a $205 million 3-year term loan from Silvergate Bank. Loan is backed by $820 million in collateral, about 4 times its size. As MicroStrategy's founder and CEO, Michael Saylor has long advocated holding crypto instead of cash in corporate treasuries, and the company started buying Bitcoin in August. According to CoinDesk, Sudan's central bank has warned citizens not to use cryptocurrencies due to the token's supposed risks, especially since their economy is slumping. Financial crime, piracy and value loss are among the risks cited by the bank. As well as legal concerns, the bank noted that assets aren't classified as money or even private property. Since the military coup in October, the Sudanese economy has been going downhill. In 2021, inflation soared 360%. The inflation rate in February was still 260%. CoinDesk writes that the Fed might be worried about cryptocurrency use during this crisis. Meanwhile, Bloomberg writes that Bitcoin's rally in the last few days, being under the radar, has bulls predicting it could reach levels it hasn't seen since last year. At one point, the coin's value shot up by 4.6%, hitting $48.215. Since then, it has fluctuated around that level. This is the biggest amount the coin has seen this year. In the last few months, Bitcoin and other cryptos were in a downtrend, but things started looking up lately. Grayscale Investments' Michael Sonnenschein said crypto and other asset classes have had a rough start. In the crypto community, it's exciting to see losses erased and Bitcoin break out over the psychological $45,000 level, he said. A CoinShares analysis showed that digital assets attracted $193 million last week, the most since December 2021. The price recovery comes after last week's $57 billion in assets under management. Last week, investors focused on Bitcoin, which saw inflows of $98 million, though Solana saw the biggest inflows in history, hitting $87 million. It's only the second time this year that multi-asset investment products have seen